Okay, welcome everybody. We are going to do part 1 using Pocket Code to do the background. So you have to activate Pocket Code. Now let's start from scratch by adding a new project. Alright, let's say I add a new project and I call it iFC shooting, and then followed by my name, okay, Mr. Gui. Alright, so this is my new project name. Okay, it's best that we orientate the phone this way. Okay, so we can have background or we add object. So today we'll do the background and then we add a spaceship and then the laser beam. So let's start with the background. So you click on the background. Okay, we go to the project iFC shooting Mr. Gui, and then click on the background, and then we add. Okay, when I click on the background, I have script, the background, and the sound. So let's get a picture for my background. So I add plus. Alright, select an image. Okay, it can be any image on your phone. So this is my phone. Alright, so I'm going to choose, okay, Pasir Ris Beach. Alright, so this is the image. So you should see the beach, huh? Right? Okay, let's go back. Okay, go back. Now you see that we now have a background. If you click on the background, you should have script background which is the picture and the sound. Now let's go to the script. Alright, so you're going to begin the coding now. So we tap on plus to add script. Now we're going to add when screen start. So you have event, control, motion, sound, loads, which is the picture. Alright, data, which is the variable. So let's start with add event. So we choose when scene starts. Alright, so when scene start. So when scene start, we want to set the size of the background. So we go to loads. Alright, so set the size to 60%. Now you can change this number to 50 or any number. Okay, click OK. Now how do you know whether the picture is the correct size? You press the play here. Now if you don't like the size, you go back. Alright, you go back, then you set the picture, alright, 40%. Okay, then you press the play here. You can see the picture. Okay, yeah, it's not so big. Alright, it's not enlarged so big. Now what if I set the picture at 100%? You will not see so much of the you don't see so much of the beach, right? Okay, so you can set whatever percent you want. Now then there's one part that's important. Now I'm going to add event. Okay, when the stage is tapped. So add event when the stage is tapped. Alright, so this one must be below here because it's the next one. So you press on it and then you can pull it down. You can also pull it up and down, you see. Okay, you can pull it up and down. So whatever new one, it was pull it below. Okay, so then we add. Now we're going to add a variable. So we go data. Now we're going to add a control, right? Control if, alright, then else. Alright, so if then else. So again, this one you must pull it down, hold it, press on it and pull it down. Now if something is true, then what do we do, or else what we do? So we need to change this. This is by default. You see the underline here? It's for us to change. So delete away this one. So delete away this one. If beam ready, so we need a data. All right, we need a new data called beam ready. All right, then you press OK. Now if beam ready, then you choose beam ready. Now if beam ready is equals to 1, all right, so this is the condition that is checking. So you press OK. So it say if beam ready is equal to 1, if this is true, all right, then else, all right, then what? Then broadcast. So we add here, and then we have motion, no, not motion, control, broadcast. Where's broadcast? Oh, not control. Go to event. Okay, broadcast and wait. Alright, you're gonna add this one, and then we change the new message called fire. Okay, so fire, but this one must be below here. Alright, so the whole thing reads like that. When the scene starts, set size to whatever percent you like. You can check by playing the play button here. When the stage is tapped, if beam ready, now this beam ready is a data, you need to add it in. Alright, it's equal to 1, it's true. Then broadcast and wait, fire, else, and if. Now that's all. Alright, so this is the background. Alright, of course now if you press on it, nothing happen because there's no laser beam yet. Okay, this is part 1. Thank you.